Everybody eats. Everybody lives in this natural environment. We all need science and technology to help us make it through to the next phase. Agriculture grants an individual a wide spectrum of topics and issues that are deeply important. We need the scientists that will come through here. We need the communication specialists that will come through colleges of agriculture. We need people who can talk intelligently and thoughtfully about new technologies as they influence food. We need economists. We need social scientists, sociologists, and others who understand how we relate with the world around us in both the physical sense, but also in terms of sustainability. What does it mean to have an environment that's healthy? What does it mean to have an equitable society? And ultimately, what does it mean for us to be able to be productive, both in terms of physical production of food products, but also profitable? All of those things can be studied in agriculture. There are pressing challenges before us. We need to be able to feed the people that are coming onto this planet. When we look at international tensions, sometimes a core issue that can come up is access to food. We need to be able to generate new technologies to address those pressing issues. And so I think agriculture is a great place to start. That is one of the big whys. I would take it even a little bit further. We need a diverse group of people to come in and address these issues. We need individuals with different experiences and knowledge bases who've had life experiences that will shape the way they will address those questions. People who maybe traditionally hadn't been a part of these conversations or a part of these fields are really important to come into this conversation because they look at the world in a different way. We look at the world in a different way. And if we can add our voices to this, I think we have a better shot at addressing these pressing problems.